Hi everyone, this is Flora. In this video, I want to talk about the audio problem that I encountered in OBS Studio on Windows 11 on my Acer laptop, and the solution that I found. I want to record an online video while I can speak from microphone at the same time. I click Add Source and add Display Capture to record my screen. I already did because I'm using OBS to record this video. And then I go to Settings. Click Audio. These are my original settings that didn't work. You can see I chose speaker as my desktop audio and the microphone array as my mic auxiliary audio. With these audio settings, I can only record my voice from mic input. There is no audio from online video. This is a test. There is music playing. Can you hear the music? As you can see, there's no sound from the video that I recorded. Here's the solution that I found. Right-click the volume icon on Windows taskbar. Click Sound Settings. Scroll down to More Sound Settings. And then click Recording tab. Here I have to right-click to enable stereo mix so that I can record the video audio. Click OK and then go back to Sound Settings. Scroll up a little bit. You can see Choose a device for speaking or recording in Input section. Make sure you choose Microphone Array so that you can still use your microphone to record or input voice. Now let's go back to OBS Studio. Click Settings, and then go to Audio. Make sure to disable Desktop Audio and Desktop Audio too, so that they won't interfere with video audio. Select Microphone Array in Mic Auxiliary Audio to record your voice. Choose Stereo Mix in Mic Auxiliary Audio 2 to record desktop audio. Click OK. Now it's ready to click Start Recording or using shortcuts defined by yourself to record your screen. This is a test. Here's music playing. Can you hear the music? Now I can record the desktop audio and the mic input at the same time without any problem. Thank you for your watching.